Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make the macaroni and cheese dish. I just ask that you bear with me, I am under the weather. So to begin, for the ingredients, you're going to need some carnation milk, some mustard, mayo. I am using ground turkey, but you could use ground beef, ground chicken, or shredded chicken breast. And for my cheese, I'm going to use cheddar jack Monterey cheese. You could use Gouda or Edam cheese. It's a bit pricey depending on location. I have the macaroni here, and I'm going to use some bell peppers, don't matter what colors you use, and some onion, of course, some Maggi, adobo, salt, black pepper, minced garlic. I did end up using a little bit of Creole seasoning as well. And you're going to need 4 thin cow cheese. So what you want to do is get your pot, fill it with water, turn your stove on medium-high heat. While we wait for that, we're going to go ahead and grate your cheese, and this is what it should be. So go ahead and add your salt and butter. And while we wait for the water to come to a complete boil, we're going to go ahead and get our meat ready. So grab your skillet. Once it's hot, put your meat in and let that cook for a bit. And then after that, go ahead and add your macaroni in because your water should be boiling by now. Okay, so while we wait for the macaroni to cook, go ahead and grab those bell peppers and chop them. I'm using my onion chopper. And now I'm going to go ahead and start adding my seasoning. Again, guys, I apologize about my voice. I am sick, so please bear with me. So once that is done, go ahead and give it a nice stir so everything can come together. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and add our bell peppers and onions in next. Okay, so once you add that in, go ahead and stir it up and let it cook for a bit so it can get softer. And then you want to grab a saucepan, your 4 laughing cow cheese with that milk. You're going to whisk it together on low heat till that cheese is melted. And then we're going to drain our macaroni so we can get ready to mix everything together. So go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of mayo. I had 6 tablespoons, I added 3. Once it's in there, go ahead and stir it in. So that's pretty much what you're going to do. Every time you add something, you're going to stir it to make sure it's all in there. So next you're going to add your mustard and you're going to stir that together. And then after that, you're going to grab your milk that you melted your laughing cow cheese with. You're going to add that in and you're going to stir that as well. Once you're done with that, that's when you want to grab some of the Monterey and cheddar jack cheese that we had. You're going to add some of that and you're just going to stir it in so it could melt in the macaroni, so it could be very cheesy. You can add as much as you want. I did put a disclaimer in the beginning. If you are lactose intolerant, this dish is definitely not for you at all. So once you're done doing that, add the meat in. And that's pretty much it, guys. The key here is to try to get everything done at the same time. So it's best to have everything ready so when you start cooking this, so the moment your macaroni is cooked, you can go right into it. So go ahead and add your meat in there, and then you want to make sure you stir it very well so everything is together. Also, at this point, you want to taste it to make sure it's the flavors that you want. I wouldn't recommend that you add anything else because whether you use Gouda cheese or Edam cheese to put on top, it has an amount of salt on it, so you don't want it to overpower the rest of the flavors. So my advice is not to add anything else at all, but you know your palate's better than I do. And that's pretty much it. Go ahead and cover it up with either Gouda or Edam cheese. I'm using Edam cheese. Have your stove at 350, and then you're going to add in there about 25 minutes or so, or until it's golden brown. And then that's it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I apologize again because, like I said, I am under the weather. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye. I'm trying hard to be ready, but the way you looking at me, it drives me crazy.